Welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I wanted to show you our bikini top pattern Lily. This is an off-shoulder top that, of course, if you prefer, you can also use on your shoulder, but I really prefer a little bit lower here. It's a non-reversible pattern since you will see the overlock threads on your sleeve, but that's the only spot where you see the overlock threads. All the rest, I made it with a zigzag stitch to be able to create a channel for the elastic, so it's quite simple. The pattern is the same for the front and for the back. It consumes a little bit of fabric, so you will see on the pattern description the amount of fabric and the amount of elastic that you need. If you still don't have the pattern, you can buy it on our online store at bikinidesignclub.com. And if you want to see how I sewed this bikini, you also have the link on the pattern description for the YouTube tutorial. As most of our patterns, you know that we have the tutorials on how to sew them on our YouTube channel. If you are in doubt if we have the tutorial already available, just check the pattern description on the store and the link will be there, or it will say coming soon. And that's it for today, guys. This is a very simple top. You can use it to go to the beach as a bikini top, or you can even use it as a top to go out on a very beautiful summer night, so it's up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon. Bye!